Welcome to the 5th episode of the eOffice eFile tutorial series. In the last 4 episodes, we were discussing about the receipts. In the first episode, we saw how to diarize and give acknowledgement. In the second episode, we have seen how to view and arrange, and what are the actions that can be performed on receipts. In the third one, we have seen how to create drafts and then approve it and then sign it. And in the fourth episode, we have seen how to dispatch the issues. Today, we are going to see the movement of receipts, how to pull up the receipts, how to pull it back, how to close, then reopen, then how to search the receipts. These things we will be covering today. These are all related to receipts, and from next episode onwards, we will be seeing the management of files. Now we have logged into the eOffice, and we are seeing the inbox of the receipt. Here we can see the receipt view section. If you choose self, we will be seeing only the receipts that belong to our seat. If you select the section, it will show all the receipts that are available in our own section. Still, you can take some actions on the receipts that we have received only. Let us increase the number of rows that can be shown. If you give 50, then all the 19 records we can see at a time. So here, whatever is seen in the blue color, they are only received in our seat. Only those we can open. Remaining receipts, we can see for our information only. If you want to send any of the receipts in the inbox, you have to choose the particular one, and then click on send. Now we have got another page for sending the receipt. There we have to give the seat to which we need to send it. Please note that this is different from the method through which we send the issues. Here we need to choose which seat we need to send this receipt. In the to column, if you feed few characters of the seat name, it will show the list. Let us choose one. Along with sending the receipt in eOffice, if you want to give a notification through email or SMS regarding this receipt, then you need to click on this. Then CC column is for sending the copy. Apart from sending to the to address, if you want to send copy to one or more seats, then you need to feed it here. Here again, we can find the seat by giving the name of the seat, or from the recent 5 tab, you can choose one or more recipients. In channel means the channel through which the receipt has come. So you can choose any one of those seats. Or you can choose from subordinate seats, if available. Through the send back button, we can send this back to the office from which we received this. If we want to send to our reporting officer, then we can choose from here. Or else, if you want to send this to a group of seats, you can choose the group from here, if it is available. Now no group is available, that's why it is not showing. Let us choose one more from the recent ones. Please note that in the to column, you can give only one seat, while in CC column, you can give one or more. Then we can give some remarks here. If you want to set a due date for the action, you can give here. And what is the action to be taken, that you can choose from this list. If you want to set any priority, then you can choose from among this. Apart from that, you can give intimation to some seats. These are the seats available in the channel of this particular receipt. So you can choose one or more from this available seats. So the intimation will be sent to those seats. We choose either email or SMS, or both we can choose. They do not get the receipt, but they will be intimated that this receipt has been sent to so and so seats. Then at last, we need to click on send. We got a message that it is sent. If you want to see the receipt that are sent, you need to choose send from the receipt menu. We can see 149 receipts that are sent in this manner. There is provision for filtering and searching this list. If you want to pull back any receipt that is already sent to some other seat, So we can tick against this receipt, and then the option is available to pull it back. Or without selecting, you can see a pullback icon against each receipt. We can press that also. If we want to see more receipts on a single screen, then from this we can choose. Here, please note that we cannot pull back each and every receipt that is sent. If the receipt is not opened in the receiving seat, those cases only we can pull back. If it is opened, the pullback button will not be appearing against that. Even if we choose from the left side in case of opened receipts, this pullback button will be disabled. Otherwise, we will be able to pull it back. If we pull it back, then we will be getting it back to our inbox. If we want to send the already sent receipt to some other seat, then the send option is available. If you want to copy this and create another receipt, then copy option is available. If you have not yet sent the acknowledgement to the sender, then that option also, generate acknowledgement, is available. Now let us see the advanced search option. Advanced search is available in receipt, file, and issue also. Let us click advanced search under the receipt menu. Here we can search the receipts in different manner. We can see here, physical global and electronic global. That means the searching will be done in a global manner for both physical and electronic receipts. If you want to change this, you can choose the settings, and for physical, we can choose global, departments, section, like that. Electronic also, we can set the scope of the search in this manner. By default, we can search on the basis of computer number, receipt number, or the subject. If we want to include the closed receipts also in a search, then one checkbox is available that you can tick. Apart from that, if you want to search on the basis of more parameters, then add search parameter option is available. If we want to include received and sent parameters also, then you can choose that. If we want to search in diary details too, then you can choose that, and if you want to search in sender details too, then you can choose that also. So search is possible on the basis of various parameters in a different manner. You can add or remove parameters from this search parameter link. After feeding the search parameters, we need to click search receipt. As we have not given any parameters, we have got a complete list of the receipts. Here, again you have got some action buttons. Here we can see, send, reopen, receive, pull up and pull back. If the receipt is closed one, then this reopen can be used to open it. This receive option is applicable only to the physical receipts, not to the electronic ones. Pull up means, to take up the receipt that are present with some other seat. Pull back means, to take back the receipt that we have sent to some other seat. Here we can see that pullback option is not available for every receipt. This particular receipt belongs to our seat, so the pullback option is not available. If the link is available on receipt number, that means, those are in our inbox. These are not required to be pulled back. That is why the buttons are not available against those. In this case, pullback option is available because this we have sent to some other seats. Let us try that option. Let us click pullback. Here we need to give the reason for pullback. Maybe because no in charge in that seat, so we want to take some action, something like that. Or you may require to send it to some other seat. After that, click OK. Now, the receipt will come back to our seat in the inbox. Let us increase the number of cases to see more receipts. In another receipt, you can see pull-up option is available. This receipt is existing in some other seat, for which no action has been taken. That's why this pull-up option is available. This is not sent by us, otherwise, it should have been shown as pullback. Let us click pull-up. Again we need to give the reason for pull-up. We can give OK. In this manner, by using the pull-up option, we can take the receipt from some other seat. And by using the pull-back option, we can take back the receipt that we have sent to them. Another option available is the filter option. We can filter active or created. Another option available is the add or remove output fields. Now we can see the columns available, like electronic or physical, computer number, receipt number, subject, location, sender, section, sent on, forwarding remarks, currently with. These columns are right now available. If you want to make any changes in this columns shown, we need to choose this option. These are the columns currently available, out of which the 3 columns are compulsory, that we cannot remove. Remaining are optional. We can choose as per our requirement. If you choose all will be shown. Otherwise we can choose whatever is required. We can remove columns not required in this manner. So in this manner, we can configure the output columns. If you want to download the list of these items, then download option is available. Let us click that. Here you can see that you may download this in Excel format. So we can download and store this file into our computer. Suppose, if there is no pending action for a particular receipt, we can close it. For that, we need to choose the option close. Here we will have to give some closing remarks and then press OK button. If you want to see later the closed receipts, you can click open the receipt menu. And under that, closed with me option is available. So all the closed receipts will be shown here. Later on, due to some reason, if you want to reopen it, the reopen button is available. Let us give remarks, and then press OK. Now the receipt will be sent back to the inbox. The rightmost button indicates that the scanned copy of these receipts are available. Here there is an attachment icon column. If the icon is there, that means some other receipts or files are attached to this receipt. These are the things to be learned regarding the receipt. Thank you.